Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Rudy and today I'm gonna review a Supreme t-shirt. Here it is. This one is called the Pillow Tee. It was released 2 weeks ago on Fall Winter 19, week 7. This is a pretty dope design. This one was the most hype on that drop. I could not get it on retail. I had to buy resale, but I mean it's worth it. It's such a dope design. So for retail was $38 plus shipping and taxes comes to $53, and I got it for $80. But I mean, I'm pretty sure this t-shirt is going up in value in the future because it's such a fire design. Just check it out. Obviously, you know that the cloth it's really soft. It's a really great quality t-shirt. I highly recommend it. You know, Supreme always make everything good, of course. Such a cool design. Honestly, I'm gonna keep this one for personal use. If I see that go up in value like crazy, maybe I will resell it. But I really love that design. Still got the tag. Now let's try it on. My height is 6'1" and I'm around 195 pounds. This is a US medium size and fits perfectly fine. So I'm gonna finish the video here. If you watched the entire video, thank you so much. Please, if you like this content, reviewing fashion, streetwear, subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment. If you have any suggestions, feel free to reach to me at Instagram at RudySDTV. Also, if you want to see a review of a high-end designer like Gucci or Balenciaga, just let me know. I got you. I don't want you to spend that money and get the wrong size. That's messed up. So comment and see you in the next video.